Let me just explain what palm oil is with the ones I wrote down. Palm oil comes from the fleshy fruit of oil palm. Pardon me, I'm making up my book. Palm oil is different from palm kernel oil, but both came from same palm fruit. Red oil has a surprising and amazing benefits. Yes, red oil, that's palm oil, has a surprising and amazing benefits, especially for problematic skin. Yes, palm oil moisturizes the skin and penetrate deep, leaving the skin feeling soft and smooth. That is exactly how my skin was. Palm oil can be applied on the face and body before taking your bath to help reduce dark spots, acne, pimples, red patches, dark eye, sunburn. Guys, palm oil can do a lot of things on your skin, sincerely speaking. And I tried it when I saw it this morning. Before then, I used it last night on my face, and I woke up this morning seeing a different face entirely. That wow, this is so amazing. So if you know you're suffering from any skin problem, there are a lot of ways you can formulate palm oil with a particular ingredient to give you a very flawless skin. Thank you guys so much.